So I'm out at Walmart getting ready to pick up my Walmart pickup order for some groceries. He is putting it into the car right now. And then I'm gonna head off and get Dunkin' Donuts. And then I have to work from home. So once I get home, I'm gonna show you guys what I picked up from Walmart this time. And the rest of my grocery haul. I think I need to run out to Kroger later, but this video is in collaboration with Tiffany over at Small Town 6 and Jessica Myros at Jessica Myros. Be sure to check out the playlist linked in my description box down below. Okay, so I'm finally home from Walmart and I did my pickup order. So because I'm working from home today and tomorrow, and then we have the weekend, I just decided to go ahead and get just a couple of groceries from Walmart. So I did pick up a 4-pack of strawberry Uncrustables and then the grape ones as well. The kiddos can have those today or tomorrow. Went ahead and picked up some crinkle cut fries. I got the grape Gatorade, the Glacier Freeze Gatorade. I like to buy the smaller ones because I'm getting more for the money. I also got the orange, and then I got the cool blue. I think that the blues and the orange are honestly my favorite. The kids needed some more drinks, so I did pick up a 30-pack of the Capri Suns, the variety pack, where it has fruit punch, strawberry kiwi, and Pacific Cooler. I picked up a thing of celery. I'm gonna try to make some chicken noodle soup or chicken and dumplings, and yeah, it's one of those times where we need lunch pre-made so I can go out the door on time. So this right here is a pretzel dipping kit that I ordered for the kiddos to have something to do this weekend. So it includes obviously everything that we will need, and so this was only about $4 or $6, and it comes like this, and we can microwave in the container. It's just something fun to do for Halloween. And then I did order them a spooky cookie pizza kit where it comes with everything you see here, and we'll try to make these. This was about $4. I also picked up a bottle of eyeball sprinkle mix. And so this little mix right here will end up doing something this weekend for, you know, just because Halloween is on a Monday, we'll find something to do, hopefully. I did pick up a pizza for us to have over the weekend for lunch or something, or they can have it for dinner. Just wanted to treat the kiddos to some pizza. All right, so I did grab the pizza with pepperoni Lunchable, nachos with cheese and salsa Lunchable, ham and cheese, and then last but not least, I did grab the turkey and cheese Lunchable. All right, so I needed some sharp white cheddar cheese, I needed mild cheddar cheese, and I needed some Parmesan cheese. All right. So I got a bag of carrots. I got 2 cans of biscuits as I want to do chicken and dumplings again. I needed some heavy whipping cream, and I also needed cream cheese bars. Okay, so in order to make some candy in the crock pot, I needed to get the pretzel crisp, and I did get some potatoes so that we could have these for breakfast this weekend. I normally slice them and then put them in some butter on the pan, on the stove, and then with some onions. So might do that this weekend. So for this, I did get some pure peppermint extract. I got a small can of cream of chicken soup. I ended up getting a apple butter jar. Normally I make apple butter myself, but due to the recipe that I want to use, I needed some apple butter, so I had to bite the bullet and just buy it. I did get some almond bark chocolate flavored coating, so I'm gonna be baking up some things pretty soon. And then I got just the regular almond bark vanilla flavored. So I'll need about 6 of these for what I'm gonna be making. This was supposed to be the little dry one, so I'm not sure what went wrong with that, but that's okay. I'll run back out and grab that. But we'll keep these here for just any other purposes. Of course, we got some fresh milk. And I got some pieces of chicken breast. Last but not least, I did get some rigatoni noodles. I will be making some chicken Alfredo, or at least attempting to try to make that chicken Alfredo. I also got some brown gravy mix, as well as some chicken broth, and then the peppermint star light mint candies. So yeah, that's everything that I got from Food Lion. I feel like I still need to run back out and get more necessities, but I felt like, oh, okay, let me run in and grab, or let me run to pick up a pickup order before I have to work at home. So I ended up going to Kroger again the following week and getting these following items. So I ended up getting the peach plum and some other LaCroix drinks, and then the Starbucks drinks. And so I got 2 Gushers, 2 of the fruit snack trays. We got Swiss rolls, the unicorn individually wrapped cakes, as well as the cosmic brownies. And then I ended up getting a 12-pack of Oreo Nutter Butter and Chips Ahoy. I got the popcorners that come with 8 bags, 4 kettle corn, 4 white cheddar. I got some soy sauce, ramen noodles, a 4-pack of green beans, wonton strips. These are the best snack. Mandarin oranges, comes in an 8-pack. And I got some garlic powder. I got 2 of the cocktail smokies. I got 2 avocados. We use these in our hair. We got the collard greens that are already seasoned and everything else. 2 cans of the Vienna sausage. And then I also picked up 1 large Granny Smith apple, the New Orleans style smoked sausages. We got the Danimals smoothie yogurt. We got the stew vegetable soup mix. I plan on making a stew with that. We got some lemon juice, rice-a-roni chicken flavored, the Doritos minis. Oh my god, they are so amazing. We got the eggs. I got a black tea boba kit, cream cheese, chocolate flavored Pockies, as well as I got a new notebook and pens to write down all of my stuff for YouTube. And so I also picked out some milk, because we think we need milk like every week. It just depends on the dates. I got some asparagus. I like to do that in the oven. Got a 12-pack of Oreo minis, as well as the Ultimate Caesar salad kit. Oh, this is great. We got the skinny pack Papa popcorn. It was about 6. We got the chicken parmesan. They were only $3.88. And then I got some blueberry Eggo waffles, as well as some Funfetti mini pancakes. We got the 5 cheese rigatoni clean cuisine. We got the pizza Trizza lunchable, as well as the regular pizza pepperoni lunchable. I got some Tony's jambalaya rice mix. You'll just need water and some type of like seafood sausage, ham, or something like that. We got Fruity Pebbles. I got a 12-pack of these snacks where it's wheat thins, mini Ritz, and cheese crispers. I got a bag of Dum Dums. I'm going to put these on my table in the Halloween bucket. We got some Ghouls, M&M's, peanuts. We got Hungry Man's, for, Chuck, for when he gets in from work, he can just pop something in the microwave. Some strawberries, of course. I got Captain Crunch for myself. Rice Krispie treats. We got these new Shake Ups by Pebbles. They're birthday cake flavor. We got the chicken. So it's about like a good amount of pieces in there. We got pork chops and whatever else you see in this haul. Okay, so I'm in from Kroger. This time I had to go and get just a couple of things to last us through the last week of the month. So I'll show you guys what I got. So here's just a little load that I got just to last us for a couple of days throughout the week. So we got some cookies. They have now these new Sun Chip Minis. These are harvest cheddar. And then I just got like a little pack of Junior Mints. In this bag, I got some drumsticks in a variety pack. So they have chocolate, vanilla, caramel, and vanilla. The kids got Lunchables. The other one, I have no idea where it's at. It's probably in her bag. But this is a pizza treatza where it has like the chocolate flavored frosting, and you can make a chocolate candy pizza. And so I got these for her to have for like a lunch or for dinner. So we got the fettuccine alfredo, and then we have the 5 cheese rigatoni. This was the last bottle on the shelf today. This is the frosted sugar cookie coffee creamer. I cannot wait to make me an iced coffee with that. We got 2 of the Chuck E. Cheese pizzas. This is something that can be for like a lunch or dinner one day this week as well. And then got some Ultimate Caesar salad kit that has like everything. It has croutons, the shaved Parmesan, and the Caesar seasoning all in here. Oh my God, it's amazing. And it's enough for 2 people. Got some mini corn dog nuggets. Says that it's about 40 in there, so this will be good enough for my kids to have for lunch or dinner, and then maybe like one more time, just depending on how many they eat. In this bag, I bought 2 of the vanilla jellos. I'm gonna try to make some vanilla spiced pumpkin bread today or soon and take it in for work, but I will upload that on my channel. So yeah, I did need 2 of them. I also have a just regular traditional pie crust in here. I'm going to make pumpkin pie with that. I also picked up 2 big cucumbers as I am going to be juicing with my juicer. Hopefully that video has came out on my channel by now for you all to see. If not, go check it out. I also got some Light and Fit Greek vanilla yogurt. I eat these with my birthday cake granola for snack at work. I also got some jumbo butter biscuits, a bag of Fuji apples, strawberries, as well as a navel orange, and 1 large lemon, and I got a block of sharp cheddar cheese. So I ended up getting some Black Forest Juicy Bursts. These are fruit snacks, and there's about 40 pouches in there. We got some goldfish. I picked up this Green Goodness Boathouse Farm drink because I want to juice, but I don't know how I need to juice yet, so I think that I just need to figure out like some recipes and stuff for that. Also, I got 2 bags of the Lifesaver Gummies Collisions, and we got a $2.99 bag of Paw Patrol mandarins. as well as I got a dragon fruit smoothie bowl, and then I got an original organic acai bowl. I got not one but two of the burritos, as well as a Boathouse mocha cappuccino drink, and then we have the ice cream. Somehow it has broken, so I need to put that in the freezer ASAP. So I have the Neapolitan ice cream, and these were on sale for $1.89, and they don't expire until April 29th, 2023. So I decided to go ahead and buy these. I love vanilla and I love almond, so I hope that these boxes are good. I think that I'll keep one at work, and then I'll keep one here just in case I ever want a box here. And last but not least, or actually not, I have one more bag. I got the ramen beef noodles. These are my favorite. These are the ones that I like to eat. My daughter likes soy. I also got 2 boxes of steak and cheddar Hot Pockets. And then I got 2 boxes of the ham and cheese Hot Pockets. And the yakisoba beef, it was on sale for $1. So I did grab 2 of those. And for my lunch today, I decided to get these tuna fish lunch to go kit and a can of the Libby's country sausage gravy. This is my favorite go-to on the weekend. So yeah, that ends the rest of my haul. I have showed you guys everything that I have bought for the month of November. And so it does take a couple different trips, and sometimes you have to, in order to keep your fruit fresh, your veggies fresh, and in case you need milk, bread, and eggs, things that expire really quick. So thanks guys so much for watching my grocery haul. Please be sure to check out the grocery haul collab playlist that will be linked in my description box down below. And I hope that you all consider subscribing to my channel so that you guys don't miss out on any other videos.